This is the Coolpo AI Huddle Pana, a 360-degree conference camera with fisheye camera, microphone, and speaker. Here you can see the silicone cap for privacy and dust protection. On top is the fisheye camera and 4 microphones with 15 feet pickup range. You can place it in the center of a 30 by 30 feet room, or for a room with 15 people. As you can see, the buttons here show plus and minus symbol. That represents the volume of the speaker. It also has a mute button for the microphone that would turn purplish hue when enabled. Here is the power button to switch on and off the Pana. You can see here the all-surround speaker. That would give you a 360-degree all-surround sound during your meetings. Below is the LED light that indicates status, blue for standby and red for errors. You can also see the micro USB port and the power port. These are the hardware parts of the Coolpo Pana.